this is a papaya. Oh my goodness, I look forward to papaya season every year. Papayas contain a special enzyme called papain, which is often credited with helping people lose weight and burn fat. It's a fruit that not only trims your waist and help you lose belly fat, but is full of vitamins and minerals that keep your body healthy. It detoxifies your body system and cleanses your colon. The lycopene in papaya helps your eyesight, protects your brain, keeps your bones healthy and strong. It even has antibacterial properties. But let me stop talking. I want to show you how to make a fat-melting papaya juice. Let's go. Because it's papaya season, you will find papaya everywhere. And when you look for your papaya, make sure you see that it's turning yellow. Yellow means that this papaya is in a ripe stage. Now you're going to cut it down the middle, and when you cut it down the middle, you're going to see a beautiful flesh, and you're also going to see some black seeds. Now the seeds are edible, but what we're going to do in this video, we are going to scoop out our seeds. We're not going to use them in our fat-burning juice. We're just going to scoop them out. And then what we want to do is we're wanting to cut the flesh away from the skin, somewhat like filleting. Once we cut the flesh out, we'll cut it into cubes, and we're going to use it. Now I'm going to be using 2 cups of coconut water, and to add a boost, to turn it up a notch for a fat burning experience, I'm adding a cup of mango and an inch of ginger. I keep my skin on because a lot of our minerals is in the skin from the ginger. And we're just gonna blend this up nicely. Once we finish blending it, your fat burning juice is ready to go. Do not sleep on papaya. It is what you need if you're trying to lose belly fat and slim down. This is gonna be good.